Welcome to Access Review Show. I'm your girl Monet.
And I'm Andre.
Today it's all about the semis recap. The fierce four met each other in a sizzling showdown, and after the smoke cleared,
two walked away as finalists for the 50th season of School Challenge Quiz.
That's right, and we were there to capture the exclusive events, all for you guys.
Semis number 1 took place on Monday, March 25th. St. Jago went up against Old Harbour High School. St. Jago and Old Harbour were meeting each other in the semis for the second time in a row, and for the second time, St. Jago took the win. The final scores from last Monday's match were St. Jago on 26 and Old Harbour on 19 points.
And the second semi-finals match was played on Tuesday, March 26 between 2017 champions Monroe and Kingston College. It was surely an intense semis and had us all at the edge of our chairs. The pendulum was swaying, and boy, until the last seconds, we couldn't tell who would walk away with the win. Alas, Kingston College narrowly escaped on 35 points, while Monroe was sent back to school on 33 points.
We had some good semis, to be honest.
For sure. And the Access team just wants to say to both schools entering the finals, congratulations.
Woo. Looking forward to a great grand finale with two awesome teams.
So if you missed it, you have some explaining to do, peeps, because how come?
Okay, but you already know we have this video highlights for you.
Access granted.
Welcome to SCQ Access. I'm Andre Skeen. We're here tonight at semis round 1, and it's Old Harbour versus St. Jago High. We're going to speak to the quiz team before they get in, see what's the vibes like and what is the energy like, because it is semis round 1. Whoever wins tonight battle the winner of semis round 2, and that will be in the finals next week. So let's go and see what's going on.
According to the book of Esther, over how many provinces, St. Jago?
127.
127. Yes, did King Ahasuerus reign? Biology, specifically where in the body is the metacarpo... St. Jago?
The palm.
The palm of the hand.
Do we accept no, the metacarpophalangeal or MC joint, the junction between the hand and the fingers, or between the metacarpal bones and the proximal phalanges? English language, what is the demonstrative pronoun in this sentence? Because of the children's bad behavior and because they refused to apologize, none was given an allowance on Monday. None. International affairs, look at the clip, identify this person. St. Jago?
Mahmoud Abbas.
Mahmoud Abbas.
Correct. Chemistry, what is the name for the concentration of a solution expressed in moles per cubic Old Harbour?
Molar concentration.
Molar concentration.
No, we have molarity expressed in moles per cubic decimeter solution. Music, listen to the clip, give the title of the song. Old Harbour?
No man no cry.
No man no cry.
Correct. General knowledge, what body of water separates France from England? Old Harbour.
The English Channel.
The English Channel.
Correct. Spanish, what is the English translation for La fiesta de cumpleaños es mañana? Old Harbour High.
Birthday party is tomorrow.
The birthday party is tomorrow.
Correct. Geography, what is the name for the movement of material along a coast by waves which approach at an angle to the shore but recede directly away from it? Longshore Drift or Beach Drift. Theatre and cinema, look at the monitor, identify this person. Dorothy Dandridge. Information technology, what is the software application that runs automated tasks over the internet called? Bot or web robot. History, which treaty between the US and Cuba in 1903 sought to protect Cuba's independence from foreign intervention? The Platt Amendment. Mathematics, what is the value of 5 over 8 minus 1 over 6 as a fraction in its lowest terms? Old Harbour?
7 over 24.
7 over 24.
Incorrect. 11 over 24. Physics. What is the name of the specific temperature at which certain magnetic materials, San Diego?
Q temperature.
Correct. Undergo a sharp change in their magnetic properties. Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Old Harbour High.
Raheem Sterling.
Raheem Sterling.
That's correct. Jamaican Heritage. Which high school in Jamaica was formerly known as Bog? San Diego.
Enid Bennett High School. Enid Bennett High School.
Yes, Bogwalk High. And French. What is the French word for the screw? San Diego High.
Leaxio.
No, La Vis. Literature. Who said this about Jane Austen? Every time I read her, I want to dig her up and hit her over the skull with her own shin bone. Mark Twain. Art. Which artist created the 1868 work, The Luncheon? Old Harbour High.
Pierre August Renaud.
Incorrect. Claude Monet. And that's the bell.
And there you have it, the winners for tonight, semis part 1, St. Jago High. Now tomorrow we head back to the studios to see Monroe up against KC. I definitely can't wait for that one. This is SCQ Access.
All right, so tonight is the second night for semi-finals excitement, where the dauntless Monroonians are going up against Kingston College, 11-time champions. Skeety, how you feeling?
Listen, I'm giving this one to Monroe tonight. I mean, it's no bias to KC, but listen, based on my predictions throughout the show, I'm definitely thinking that Monroe is going to get this one. What about you?
I feel like I should stop giving you these questions to answer, but that's fine because I'm a Kingston College fan and I think they're going to take it tonight. But that's just me.
All right, well, we'll see tonight. This is SCQ Access.
In which book of the New Testament do you find this verse? In my father's house are Kingston College.
St. John.
Many mansions. Correct. Biology. Gastrocnemius is the scientific name for the muscle in which specific part of Monroe College?
The cough.
Back of the lower leg. Correct. English language. Give us 6-letter word that starts with C and ends with T, which means secretive or not openly acknowledged or displayed. Monroe.
Covert.
That's right. International affairs of Visual 1 teams. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please. Monroe. Batulga Katmala, judges, President of Mongolia. Chemistry C10H20 is the formula Monroe College. Decine, judges, looks correct. Music and Audio 1 teams, listen to the following clip and identify this group. The Paragons, the tide is high. General knowledge, which planet takes around 3 Earth? Monroe College.
Mars.
Mercury, 3 Earth months to orbit the sun. Spanish, what is the English translation for Fui al país la Navidad pasada? Monroe College.
I went to the country last Christmas.
Good. Geography. On a weather map, a symbol consisting of triangles arranged along one side of a line indicates what kind of front? It's a cold front. Theatre and cinema of Visual 1 teams. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Monroe College.
Monroe.
That's right. Information technology, a standard for wireless broadband communication from mobile devices based on GSM technologies, was developed to replace the former 3G networks. Give the abbreviation and meaning for this standard. LTE, meaning long-term evolution history. Who was the president of Egypt from 1956 to 19... Monroe College.
Mohammed Naguib. No. Mohammed Ali.
Mohammed Naguib.
Gamal Abdel Nasser Hussein. Mathematics. The circumference of a large wedding cake is 60 centimeters. If the cake is divided evenly into 12 slices, what is the length of the arc in centimeters made by 5 combined slices? KC.
25 centimeters.
25 centimeters.
Very good. Physics. A car travels 9 kilometers southwards, followed by 12 kilometers eastwards. Calculate the magnitude of its displacement from the starting point. 15 kilometers. Sport or Visual 1 teams, look at the monitor and identify this person, please. Monroe College. Pro footballer, correct. Jamaican heritage in which parish is Claude Stewart? KC.
St. Mary.
Park, located, correct. French, translate the following sentence to English. Le chien est dans le jardin. Kingston College.
The dog is in the garden.
That's right. Literature, in Becca Lamb, who tries to help Becca overcome her habit of lying. That's Lilla, Becca's mother. Art. Which artist sculpted the 15th century piece, The Pieta, which depicts Monroe College?
Michelangelo.
Christ after the crucifixion. Bible, no, that's correct. Bible knowledge, vanity of vanities. All is KC.
Ecclesiastes.
From which Old Testament book? Correct. Biology. The aponeurosis is a layer of tissues in which specific part of the human body? And that bell signifies the end of the match.
Well, there you have it. That final match looks like St. Jago and Kingston College.
Yes, man, I am looking forward to seeing this match. I am giving this one to St. Jago, though. Still not against Casey, but I'm giving this one to Jago.
Okay, and what else are you looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to the vibes. I mean, seeing these schools coming out. Listen, next week is going to be big.
Yes.
I'm looking forward.
Explosive stuff.
We take our first break, but stay with us. More on SCQ exclusive access coming your way.
Soon come.